Now we are going to prepare vanishing cream. Vanishing cream contains stearic acid, glycerin, linolene, triethanolamine, methylparabene, propylparabene, rose water and purified water. This is the quantity given for to prepare 100 grams of vanishing cream, and based on that we had calculated quantity for 22 grams of vanishing cream. Here we had collected all the ingredient. First one is the stearic acid, second one is the glycerin, this is linolene, this is triethanolamine, this is methylparabene, propylparabene, distilled water and perfuming agent as a rose water. Okay. Now we are going to take stearic acid. It is solid form and it is considered as a oily phase. Then we are going to add our linolene and add into it. Pause. Added our linolene into this beaker. So this is beaker number 1. We are going to keep it aside with glass rod. Second one, we are going to take water and dissolve all the soluble ingredient into it. So we are going to take water, we are going to add propylparabene, methylparabene and dissolve it with the help of glass rod. Pause. Just continue to dissolve, it will get dissolved. Once it completely get dissolved, add glycerin into it, required quantity, and allow to dissolve. Allow the packet completely mix. Pause. Add triethanolamine into it. And mix it. We had make ready two phases. One is the oily phase, second one is the aqueous phase. Rose water we are going to add at the last. So take oily phase with you. Now heat on the water bath. So your stearic acid and linolene is going to get into the liquid form, because stearic acid is going to get melt and linolene is also going to melt at 60 to 70 degree centigrade. So maintain 60 to 70 degree. So your both ingredient will get melt and mix with each other. Pause. Completely melted. Keep it for a side. Your oily phase. Now bring your aqueous phase also at the same temperature, approximately 60 to 70 degree, but make sure both temperature should be the ideally same, so that mixing will be very easy and your vanishing cream will be developed. Now once you get the same temperature, now add your oily phase drop wise to your aqueous phase. Both you can do, but I prefer, because aqueous phase is little bit larger in quantity. Again maintain the temperature, make it speedy little bit. Now we are going to stir it continuously till it get solid. Make sure make it stir it little bit faster and throughout the surface of your beaker. Don't try to cool down it rapidly into cold water, otherwise some lump will be created. So if you want smooth and creamy vanishing cream, stir it continuously till this mixture get up to the room temperature. Pause. As your temperature will get down, temperature જે રીતે નીચું જતું જશે, viscosity will increase and your vanishing cream will get into the formation mode. So stir it continuously, stir it rapidly and let it get cool down slowly. Pause. You can see your cream is almost formed, but still some temperature is there. So we will continue mixing, and at this stage we are going to add the required quantity of rose water so that we will able to get some very good smell. Right? We have to add quantity sufficient. जितना स्मेल हमें चाहिए उतनी क्वांटिटी में हमें उसका फ्रेगरेंस ऐड करना है. And I think now your vanishing cream is almost ready, and you can see the texture of your vanishing cream. Right? It is same looks like marketed formulation which is available. Now just you have to fill this product into final container, clean your container, paste the label and dispense it. That's it. Again, after completion of filling, you have to go for quality control test. You have to check the texture of the formulation, viscosity of the formulation, sensitivity test you have to perform on your skin, whether any irritation is happening or not, and also you have to check the pH of the formulation which match with your skin. That's all. Thank you.